Alright, everyone. We're gonna do the most ultimate thing possible, right? We're gonna make a blender. Hear me out, hear me out. We're gonna make a blender in Blender.
Let's do it.
Yeah. And when we're doing this, because I just drank a protein shake, and because I don't have a blender in real life, the protein shake was chunky. I'm buying a blender the next thing tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So we're making a blender, so I can find myself a good model of a blender. Now let's look up. Now this is in no way a tutorial. I can tell you right now. Oh, right. It's gonna give me that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I used to have this blender here. Yeah. I used to have this blender a long time ago, but it broke. I think. I never used it, but yeah. So we'll use it. We'll make this blender right here. Yeah. Alright. And I hope you know, this is in no way a tutorial. Like, whatsoever. This is not a tutorial for making a blender. I am just a man trying to make a blender right now. So we're gonna start with what we're doing. We're gonna fill it real quickly here. Alright. Yeah. It's kinda got a circular base. It's got like a square base. Okay, never mind. Maybe not a circle. Maybe we won't do a circle. Yeah, that looks good. So now we gotta get a little base here going. So let's go ahead and scale this cube down. Yeah, that looks good. There we go. Let's see. We need 4 little plop out bits here. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. My monitor just fell down, that's funny. Alright, stay there. So, since I also don't know how to color things, I only know how to color one object, so this is how I usually do things. Get to see the man himself making blender. Alright. The commentary ain't gonna be so good, because, I just sort of got back from the store and almost got into an accident a few times now. Okay, what the fuck? I don't want. Did I do stupid? I did a stupid. Wait. Did I? No, I didn't do a stupid. Okay, no, we go. Okay, yeah, I almost got into an accident because some guy pulled right out in front of me again, like the 20th time that happened. I almost got a fight in Walmart because someone legit stepped right in front of me in a self-checkout. That kind of pissed me off. Yeah, it was a great day. Really great day. We're gonna try to not extrude, slice to get those, like, you know, those legs. I'm assuming just 4 legs. I would assume at least. I don't know how I'm gonna get that shape. Yeah, that's fine. Might just have to be square. We're gonna need about that, and then about that. Oh. What did I just do? There we go. Yeah. Good enough right there. So we'll just go ahead and select. Oh. Always select the right tool. And we're just gonna extrude it down by 2.4. 2.4. This I know there's a faster way to do this. Shut up, OneDrive. What the fuck? See, these here don't really matter to me like at all, so I'm just gonna extrude them a little bit. They don't have to look the same because you're only gonna see the top side as Blender anyways. So yeah, I see it's good enough right there. How am I gonna get that, like, oval shape there? I don't know. No, the buttons too, man. This might be a lot harder than I thought. I just got back and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make a blender because my protein shake was chunky. It was very chunky and I didn't like it. Alright, let's just try to bevel this. Oh, well, that doesn't help at all. We saw that coming. Still don't help at all. Well, fuck. Alright, maybe we do something different here. We select all the top bits here. Nope, fuck off. Alright, so we do this, and we just scale it out a little bit here, right? Just a little bit. So that gives it a little bit of a curvy. A little bit of a curvy, you know? A little bit of the curvy. Practically not noticeable with the human eye, but that's okay. So we got this part next. We gotta make it little, sorta like that, you know, like yeah. We gotta do it. What am I doing again? I don't even remember. Alright, we're gonna select these corners, whatever, select all the faces. Yeah, just fucking all the faces. See what happens if we bevel it. A little bit of bevel. Ooh, that's not what I want. Okay, maybe we just select one face at a time. No. Okay, how am I supposed to get that curve? Oh, okay, I know. Hold on. So it only has the curve on like one side like this. So we just like push it in. That's not gonna help me at all, I think. We gotta set the top one. Making a blender in Blender is really hard. Unless we just pull some like funky winky stuff here. Yeah, it's even enough. Just a little off, I guess. Who cares? So we got that. Push it in a little bit. Ooh. So like right here's all the like control interface stuff goes. Yeah. Something like that. Oh, this is a bendy looking blender right here. Oh dear. That's like where all the controls go, and now we need that part where it just puts the little clear thing. I have no idea how to make that clear material, but we're gonna figure it out. This is where I can use the circle at. And then we bring her up, fill it up. Yeah. Oh, this might not work, but it just might work. Just have it sit there and extrude it. Bring it up a little bigger. That's about blender size right there. Just, okay. Guess the first thing I work on is the handle. See how far is the handle? Almost all of it just gotta do. On there, and then how far does it go up? All the way to the top. So we'll just do like a cut like right here. Yeah, that looks good. And then we select 3 faces, I guess here, and extrude them out about that far. And then we're going to go ahead and delete the faces right here and here. Press and delete, and then faces. Yep, and then we're gonna fill these faces back up because we don't want this inside the blender, just not yet. There we go. And now we have this. We're gonna go ahead and go down here, solidify. Maybe this will fix that. I don't really know. Yeah, you got yourself a nice handle for the blender. Yeah. You can make it a little curvy by moving this here around. Just like how that one is. No, not that one is. So we just do that. We need another cut. and then you like go out, and then you go in. I mean, I don't hate it. Don't like it, but I don't hate it. Looks the exact same. I don't know what to tell you here. Okay, now we're gonna need a little cap. Details come later. Okay. We're gonna get another small little doohickey here. Yeah, that looks good. We're gonna place you all the way on the top. Even you out till you're like good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. It needs to be slightly bigger. I'd like it for it to be even, but I don't know why it didn't come even, but hey. I don't judge. Doesn't have to be even. There we go. See, that looks perfect right there. Absolutely perfect. And we just make it go up a bit. Shrink it. I don't think I'm going for the right shape here. That's fine though. Professional Blender people are looking at me and they're crying. Ah, you see, identical. Absolutely identical. Yeah, you see that? That looks like a blender right there if I've ever seen one. Yeah, that's a blender. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Let's see if we can get some details going on. It's gonna look absolutely terrific. So we're gonna get a cube. Oh dear. That's a pretty big cube. Now, hence I kind of want to make the buttons interactable later, so what I'll do is make the buttons individual items. Yeah, so we just do this. Just at the face. And just squeeze it. Squeeze. Yeah, see, this looks cool. This is like top Blender performance right here. Alright. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so now the buttons could theoretically be animated and pushed later in when I import this to whatever I'm going to do with this. Yeah, it looks beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, I can't get copyrighted. Alright. That looks absolutely beautiful. I probably could have used an array there, but that's too much freaking work. Alright. Yeah, let's get texturing it a little bit. So we'll start with this. We'll just have a... I wonder if I can... Hold on. Ooh. We're not doing that. Okay, we're gonna make this a good old black. Have it be slightly shiny, because it's like brand new, you know, they polished it really nice. Oh yeah? Alright, let's get the gray. We might be out for a gray, maybe we'll probably shoot for a bright white. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Brightish white. Yeah, I think just the plain white would do. bottom here will also be colored the same. Yeah. Maybe not that. And the top here will be colored black. This here will be colored like what? What should we call this here? We gotta make it like see-through. How do we do that? Oh, did we make object see-through? Ooh. I guess we can just I don't know how to make objects see-through. I can make it reflective. Huh. Transmission. Well, I mean, I think that'll work. Right? It might. I don't know. Kind of scared if that'll work or not. It's very interesting. It's reflecting things that aren't here. Clear out. Cool. So that does whatever that does. Oh, no, it doesn't anymore. Okay. So that there makes it reflective like that. We don't want that. We want it to be see-through. Alpha. We probably need the alpha. Alright, yeah, this looks good. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a fully functional blender right here. Maybe export this to Unity. Okay, here is our blender. Looking mighty beautiful. Let's see if we can't get this. Ooh. Ooh. Blender lied to me there. Okay, we'll see if we can't fix that by just making it disappear. Let's quickly give it a material. Alright, has the material. We make it, what is it? I think it's alpha. Transparent. You see, boom. No more problems. We see, if you look at this side, it looks okay. It looks like, huh, yeah, that's, it doesn't have any blades. Well, isn't that a problem? And we can just, like, yeah, see? A blender. Woo. That's a blender if I've ever seen one right there. Man. And all the buttons could be pushed with or something. You know, I can animate something cool, but like, I'm not going to. Look at that. Get yourself a nice looking blender. Wow. I made a blender in Blender. Whoa.